Hello everyone and welcome back to this new video, and today we are going to the MBK Center in Bangkok. It's a huge mall where we are going to shop for some souvenirs, but first I'm going to the 7-Eleven to get some breakfast. We are going for the cheese sandwich today. We arrived at MBK Center. This mall got like 8 floors or something, so it's huge. This mall is much more touristic, but they got a lot of good things. At least they got a lot of silver here. We are very thirsty, so we are at Mumucha for the iced coffee, and they got really good prices as well. Also a big one. Ooh. I've got a mango ice cream. It's so good here. Only 40 baht. Fleur's looking for a t-shirt. And I'm looking for other things. Okay, let me know in the comments. Did you watch this like back in the days? Pingus, English school. Noot noot. It's so funny. And I got an Oreo smoothie because it's hot here. Ordered a pad see ew with chicken. I'm hungry. Now Fleur's the lucky one with coconut ice cream. And we bought some snacks for the people home. We are walking outside now. There are also a lot of shops here. We are now walking to another mall. There's one right here. Walking through the alleys. We got a red soda, both of us, for 60 baht, so that's like €1.60. But it's freaking hot here, especially in the sun, but we're almost there. It was like 20-minute walk total. I think this is the building of the fashion mall, but I'm not sure. Nope, it was not the building. It's a little bit more farther away. But now you understand why I think that Bangkok is so loud. We are in the real fashion mall right now. So many things, and also very cheap as well. Got some mochi from the 7-Eleven again, and now we are waiting for the taxi to get back to the hotel. It's so busy. We are first going to another restaurant or something because it's crazy busy here and taxis take like 20 minutes plus. Maybe it's faster with the boat. It's crazy traffic right now. It's almost 6 p.m. Good morning guys and welcome to this new video. And today is our last day in Bangkok. Today we will go back to home, unfortunately. But it has been a long 6 weeks, right? So we have to get back to work. But first I will go to the barber shop here, because the sides and the back are already getting a little bit longer. So I'm going to the barber shop, and after that we are getting a massage. And our flight is scheduled for around 6. Unfortunately, there were already 2 people waiting in front of me, and he said it would take like 2 hours, but we have to leave then, so too bad. Maybe this one is open. Nope, they were also closed. So I will go to the 7-Eleven now for some sandwiches and a drink. There still was one barber open and they had a spot for me. She was really friendly. It is not really perfect, but it's okay, and it only was 120 baht, but I gave her 150, which is like €4, really cheap. By 7-Eleven, it was the last time here, and I got some creme for my body, and Fleur got something for her hair, and also another coffee.
I also want a massage.
Yeah, we made a reservation for the both of us for 10 and 11 a.m. for a massage, but yeah, we got skipped. So we didn't have a massage. We have packed all our stuff and now it's time to go to the airport and to go home. We fly back via Honkong. We are waiting in the hotel lobby right now for the taxi, and apparently via Grab you can go to the settings and you can choose for an electric vehicle, so I chose that one. It's like 30-minute drive. We are back at the airport for like the 6th time or something. Let's go home. There are lots of people, but we can do the self-check-in, so perfect. I read it all. We are through security and it's only like 2 p.m. or something, and our flight is going at 6 p.m. so we have all the time to buy a new Rolex. We are in this restaurant and Fleur got her last pad krapao and it's really spicy, right? Enjoy. And I got a khao soi with some chicken. I've got a Dairy Queen double Kit Kat. It's really good, right? Fleur is stealing my ice cream again. And now we are waiting at F6 to go to Honkong. It's actually really warm here. Fleur is chilling at the airco. She's standing against it. Boarding has started, but we don't see any plane yet, so we can finally go aboard. They are like 40 minutes too late, and we only have a layover which will leave in like 1 hour 45 minutes, so hopefully we make it. Otherwise we stay one more day in Hong Kong. I need to work in 2 days, like what the I've got the pork noodles, which is like pad see ew, and plus 20 points for Häagen-Dazs ice cream. Oh my god. And some fruit. Love it. Okay, we arrived in Hong Kong. Not sure where to go. We have like 30 minutes to an hour. Not sure if we need to get luggage. We need to get to gate 66. And this is only 34. It is huge here. Through security. Well, I went to the toilet, and at the toilet they were calling, we can already board. We've been here for 2 minutes. Now I understand. This Chinese guy who is working here is really funny. Now we are boarding. This looks much better. Quite big seats actually, and fairly new. I mean, we paid for business, but we're flying economy. But we even got a menu. Got the meatloaf. I actually never ate this before, with mashed potato and cookies and cream ice cream. Oh my god. And Fleur got the cauliflower with all the cheese. Oh, it looks good. We landed in Amsterdam. I'm really tired, and it's cold here. It's 7 degrees. That's like 30 less than in Bangkok. It's crazy cold. I'm walking here in the garage with my flip-flops on, and I can't even see my own breath. Like, it is freezing. Hi mom! English!
It's here, really warm.
We are back home in the Netherlands. I am a little bit tired, but we got a lot to do. Wash all the things and clean it up. Please make sure to subscribe, and I see you guys in Prague.